Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Skyblazer Cloth Helm in Crimson Desert. First things first, head over to this side of the map. The spot is directly southwest of the Sanctum of Devotion and a few steps away from the Wyvern's Cradle. Just line up the map cursor below the word Bowsprit in this island right here and you should be standing in the exact spot. Now, from where we're standing, you'll see these three rock pillars just below us. Head down to that area, immediately turn right and you'll find a cave covered in a bismuth-coated rock. Keep in mind that you need the skill Focus Force Palm to access this area. We have a video on how to unlock that in this channel, so make sure to check it out. Now the Focus Force Palm and path should open, leading us to the treasure inside containing the helm. This helm comes with 4 defense, a 10% increase to contribution XP gain, and on its 4th level of reinforcement. These are my favorite armor set in the game once you've collected all 4 pieces of equipment. Unfortunately, if you're looking for the boots, this set only comes in 4 pieces of equipment and even the boss where the set came from is wearing a different boots. And that is how to get the Skyblazer Cloth Helm in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.